We're inside the Madrid home of Maria Flores, an executive in her 30s with 2 children. Her husband, Santiago, is an engineer. Like 80% of Spanish families, one of their priorities in life was to buy an apartment.
The flat should be paid off by 2046. We signed for it in 2006. That's a 40-year loan.
Long-term loans and debt. It's partly thanks to them that Spain's economic growth has flourished over the past few years. Today, the subprime crisis is hitting the real estate market. It's a real blow to middle-class families like this one. Mortgage rates have rocketed. Maria and Santiago expected to be paying €1,580 a month, but now that's shot up to €2,200.
One of our 2 salaries goes on to mortgage, an entire salary. Once it's in, it's immediately spent.
We could manage €1,580 a month. But obviously, now it's €2,200. That's a huge difference. I mean, we knew mortgage rates would go up, but never by this much.
Maria and Santiago inherited a small apartment, which they rent out. Instead of being a bonus, this money is now needed to get through to the end of the month.
The money from rent all goes on Anna and Cecilia's nursery. That's €400 a month each, plus Leila's salary. She's a nanny who picks them up every day. And that's the exact amount that we get from the rent.
Salaries practically stagnant for the past 10 years. All-round price rises, hardly any social or tax breaks. These families are having to cut back. And that's having an impact on public spending in Spain.
The level of indebtedness is really preoccupying. The Popular Party and the Socialist Party have both proposed certain initiatives, but none of them have solved anything. Regarding mortgage rates, there are 2 options. Either the European Central Bank brings down the interest rates, or we manage to bring down the price of housing.
The result of the general elections in Spain partly hinges on residential neighbourhoods like the one where Maria and Santiago live. The Popular Party has been wooing this middle-class electorate. The outgoing socialist government fears these voters might abstain.